Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making your environment consistent. Install Xampp and confirm Apache and PHP services can run. Once done, install Git and add it to your path so you can clone quickly. Next, open a terminal, navigate to your Xampp/htdocs folder, and git clone the repository into a new project directory. Make sure to set file permissions for web access and enable required PHP extensions in PHP. This ensures Apache will serve the project files correctly when you continue. Now you configure the project so Apache and PHP can run it. You edit environment or config files to set the base URL, http://localhost/project, database host, username, password, and debug flags. This tells the app how to connect and behave. Then create the database. Use phpMyAdmin or MySQL CLI and import any provided SQL dump. Also check htaccess and, if needed, add an Apache virtual host to map the domain or enable rewrite rules. So you finish by starting Apache and MySQL from the Xampp control panel and then visit http://localhost/project to verify the site loads. Walk through key pages and forms to confirm database interactions work. If you hit errors, check Apache and PHP error logs and the browser console to pinpoint issues. Make sure file permissions allow Apache to read files, required PHP extensions are enabled, and your database credentials are correct. If something still fails, restart services and recheck the config files before deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.